Alright, hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you, how to install meynoo, for GTA 5, and I spelled that wrong, yes I know. Alright, so this link will be linked in the, description, so when you go down here, you want to go down here and click the, this one, because it's the current version. So when you click it, it should bring you to this link, and all you have to do is go down, wait, no, actually, my bad. You don't go down. You go down right here and you click on this, and then it should automatically download for you. And then you can go into it, and the only two files you are basically gonna need is the meynoo ASI and the meynoo stuff. And then all you gotta do is drag and drop, and boom, bada bing. Now you have it. And if we go ahead and launch up GTA 5, it should work. I was looking at my comments. Looking at my comment. Okay. My bad. Alright, I'm just waiting for GTA start up. Did it start up? Can't tell if it started up. Alright. Is it? GTA is being very strange today. If not, alright, well, guys, it's acting up today. Anyway, well, that's basically how you install it, and then when you go in, you either hit F all the way through 10, not 12. It's either F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10. It's either 1 out of 10. Now I've done forgot since my GTA thing is not starting up, so, yeah. But, I'll see you guys in the next one, and, thank you for watching. Bye.